Today we have a video from Bodycam K9, and the title of the video is Police Surprise $350,000 Rolls Royce Thief at Pizza Shop.
This thing's fancy. We'll probably just take it.
On January 31st, 2026, officers found a Rolls Royce parked outside a pizza shop without license plates. A check of the vehicle ID number showed it had been reported stolen from Texas just a week earlier.
Get on the ground right now. Put your hands up. Put your hands up right now. Put your hands up. Put your hands up right now. Put your hands up right now. Put your hands behind your back. Don't run. Right now, put your hands behind your back.
Hey, buddy.
Sir, I'm not going to speak English. This is my car, my friend. You got this for...
Okay, let's walk him over there so we have more room. Okay.
He speak English.
This car, my friend, you can...
Back? Okay.
Yeah, I can
Where do you live now?
Huh?
Where do you live now?
My madam?
You, how did you come here?
What?
How did you come here?
Did you drive this car here?
No.
Who dropped you off? Uber?
Huh?
Uber, Lyft? How'd you get here?
Yeah, it's Uber. You can...
Okay, well,
location.
Okay, you got ID?
Yeah, I have everything.
Where's your ID?
ID is...
It's in that thing? Okay.
Yeah.
Any weapons on you?
No.
Guns, anything like that?
No. It's my friend.
What car?
His accent don't even sound authentic. Like, it don't even sound. It sound like a English person trying to speak Arabic or whatever accent he trying to portray.
What is this to?
No, this car, no car. This from look.
What?
For look.
Is that not a car key? What is that?
Could be, yeah.
Where'd you get the car from?
No, I am this car, my friend. You can address, you can ticket for this. I have everything. It is my phone.
When did you start driving the car?
I don't know. You can address my friend in the from Dubai.
Sound like bullshit to me.
He's got a whole bag of keys.
Yeah.
Mercedes, Ford.
Where are all these cars at?
No, this is not me. This is my...
Where are all these cars at?
Not speaking English. You can't translation.
Okay.
Oh, now you can't speak English. No, okay.
Where'd you get these keys from?
So no good to speak English. You can't translate.
Temport. Were you gonna put this on the car?
This no.
No. What were you doing with this?
You can't translate. I'm not good to speak English.
I gotta see if we have an Arabic speaker here.
Okay. You can speak? No, you don't speak.
Who saw the mail that was in the...
Look over here. Come here real quick.
Okay, no problem. Okay.
She pulled out that Google Translate.
Is that him?
It looks like him, yeah.
Yes?
It looks like him.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
صديقة لي قال لي ان هل يمكن ان تستلم لي السيارة وتشحنها لي، وقام شخص باعطاني هذه المفاتيح.
92 witness file here at Papa Joe's.
The dealership.
You have a dealership?
Yeah, dealership.
Where's the dealership at?
No, this is my friend, but I have the work from...
Okay. You okay, buddy?
Okay, I'm okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
You're gonna come back with us and we're gonna talk a little bit more, okay?
Okay, no problem.
All right.
Okay.
There. Got the screws for the plate in his pocket. Just gonna throw on there.
Oh, yeah, 100% he was.
You're gonna put that plate on that car? You got the screws in your pocket for it?
Sorry, can translate.
Yeah. Figure it out. More in his pocket.
Anytime if they ask him general questions, he'll answer it. If they ask him incriminating questions that might incriminate himself, all of a sudden, translator. Like, you full of shit, man. That's funny though. It's funny to watch, but me and you, we smarter than this. We know he know English.
Oh, he had like a You don't know what this one's for?
This for key.
It's for a key?
Key from my car, yeah.
Kiki.
Key.
A little 350.
Doing the back pockets?
Want it?
I like on the hood ornament top.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
You gonna try to get out?
Yeah, this is a big car.
Okay. Give me 1 second.
Okay.
No runners today. Susie, more.
Okay.
She's not gonna like that.
Well, she can figure it out.
I'll move it.
Is the person you were looking for, or sounds like it. Stolen Rolls Royce.
We figured that's what it was.
That's what I kept on saying.
Yeah.
Yeah, Papa's not gonna care.
No, Papa's gonna be like, this is normal when we got the SMS next door, but Nana's gonna be like, this is why I watch you girls going to your cars.
I know that he asked her name. Weird. It's stolen out of Texas too, so I don't know.
That's crazy.
Wow.
So, I'll take her back, because I'm gonna go back. Oh, okay. Yeah. So, okay.
Thank you.
Alright. Alright,
What is going on? I said I was going to take this guy to the. What? I don't know what's going on.
She said she was gonna go and eat.
Yeah,
She was
my
like-
food's been at the station for an hour.
It was,
Where did he come out of?
We have no idea. We're parked right there.
He said an Uber dropped it off.
Yeah, that's what he said. He has like 8 other keys in his bag and a plate. Run that plate, see where it's
He had
hitting.
the plate to a like 06 Audi, and
He was ready to put it on this?
4 screws in his pocket.
I'll be transferring one male.
Because there's no plates on it, it would have gotten stopped, you know.
Sprechen Sie English?
Nope. Gotta be.
I need that bell. You work that?
I can give you a phone number.
I got a dude. Huh?
Is it Ahmad?
No. Zaki from
Oh,
Burbank.
the Tinley dude I like.
Ahmad from Tinley's on
What's his last
He
name?
was on there.
Yeah.
Alan?
Yeah, I like that guy.
$350K for this thing.
Daryl. It's like carpet.
Yeah.
What does that do for you?
Whoa, look at this. Look at the ceiling.
Oh, the stars, yeah.
Yeah.
I've been in one other one.
We'll change.
It's clean.
Extreme off-road performance. Yes. Yeah. Take it or to snag a picture? I don't got my phone on me. This thing's fancy. We'll probably just take it.
Oh, it's a Cullinan. I just had to look.
This thing's fancy. We'll probably just take it.
Them joints is fire.
Ooh, the handle's on the other side. Threw me off. The handle's on the other side.
Look at that.
That is so cool. I just want to look inside. Damn.
Can you tell me how much this costs?
No.
350,000.
Oh, yeah. Look at that cute.
Probably headphones for this, maybe screens? I mean, what makes this 350K?
The name.
Yeah. I want to hear this thing start. At least we have keys.
The tow driver's gonna love this.
Yeah.
Look at the carpet. It's like an actual
Carpet.
Look at
Yeah. Wow.
Ooh, that Texas plate's in here. Is that the one?
Yeah.
No.
Oh no, it's not. They probably used another BS plate to do that. Right?
Oh, and 767. Can you copy another plate? And that's why earpieces are important too.
You got a lot of feedback, by the way.
2022. It's probably when he bought it. I think this was like the back cover. I'm trying to see. Look, you see how this opens here? This slides open somehow. I'm trying to figure out how. Oh, what the fuck? Up? I'm very confused on what this is. I don't want to fucking break it. Oh. Fuck it. That can't be good. Nothing. Oh, there you go. What's this?
Seat covers?
Oh. Maybe like booster seats for kids? Oh well. At least it's not a pistol in here or something.
I know. Maybe like TV trays or something, you know? There you go.
Hear that thing fire up?
Yeah. That was badass. Oh, yeah.
It's gonna be like a, it's gonna sound like a race car?
9,031 miles.
9,031?
Yeah.
Stolen out of Texas a week ago.
Oh my God. Why did they come to Orland Park?
Shipping it up
We're
there,
trying to
bro.
figure out. There's the keys. Take care of her.
Never drove over one of these before.
Very carefully.
Shit's worth
It's
more
about
than.
350K.
Way more than what this truck's worth.
All good? All right. Yeah, I'm gonna go back in anyway, so, all right.
Hi. Looking for your. What are you looking for? What are you looking to get? What do you got here? Your wallet, your house keys, car keys. All right, let me go see what they got. The phones are going to have a hold on them for sure, and a lot of those keys might have a hold on them as well until we figure out what you're doing. Your wallet, we could probably get your wallet and your house keys, but let me go see where they're at, okay? But a lot of this stuff is going to be on a hold, so give me a few minutes and I'll be back, okay? What I can give you back today. It's the house keys, your AirPods, your wallet. It's got your credit cards in it. That's all in there. If you want to take a look at it, the rest of the stuff is on a hold.
This key from car mine should be.
All the cars are all those car keys. All those car keys are on hold until we figure out until we do all. How long? Oh, I don't know how long they're on hold for. The guys are going to get search warrants for phones and stuff probably.
Yeah.
And the
Months. You won't see that stuff for months, man. You won't see that stuff for months. You better hope that you ain't got your regular car keys mixed in with that bunch, because you ain't gonna see them keys for months, man. Listen, they got much more important things to be worried about than your little car keys. They gonna get the warrants and all that stuff, but they not gonna get to it right away.
investigation takes how long it takes, and when somebody's done with it, they'll call you.
1 second, please.
You want this stuff or no?
Hey, man.
Who we calling? Are you translating?
Yeah, 1 second.
The officers are seeking search warrants for your phones because we think that they might prove your guilt. If they prove your innocence, we'll share that information with you. I don't think it worked. Okay, that's it. That's it. Yeah, you're good. Okay, the officers will call you.
Okay.
When they know what the status is on your other stuff. All right.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Thank you.
He was charged with aggravated unlawful possession of a stolen motor vehicle, a Class 1 felony, and possession of stolen property, a Class A misdemeanor. Share your thoughts below.
Dang. Yo, them joints is fire, man. You know, I've always wanted either a Rolls Royce or really my dream car is a Mercedes G-Wagon, man. G-Wagon, the big body. But I like the Rolls Royces too, though. Any style, it don't even matter. Any it don't matter which one. But or a Lambo truck. Lambo trucks is fire too, but yeah, man. Anyway. Wishful dreaming, right? Oh man. Whew. Last video of the day, man. Officers get a 5. They did a pretty good job, man. Once again, I think that guy understands a lot more English than what he putting on. The accent didn't even sound right, man. It sounded like an English person that was trying to speak Arab. Like, nah. 5. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.